Okay. I'll share my screen. Okay. Is it visible? The screen is visible. Once you confirm, I will move forward.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today we'll discuss about carry lookup adder. Okay, CLA, carry lookup adder. Carry lookup adder. Okay. So before this, I will draw the truth table for full adder. Okay. Do you remember the truth table for full adder? For full adder, how many inputs are there? Tell me. How many inputs are there? Three inputs, no? How many outputs
Sir,
are there?
three,
Yeah.
two.
Two outputs, no? So let us
Yes, sir.
take A, B, and C input. Okay. One second. A, B, next C input. Okay. So A, B, C input. And what is the outputs you have? Outputs you have sum and
See out.
carry out. Okay. So C out. Okay. So what are the possible combinations? How many possible combinations you have? Eight
8.
possible combinations. This is 0, 1, 0, and this is 0,
0, 1, 1.
0, 1, 1. Okay. And next uh,
1, 0,
uh,
0.
1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay. 1, 0, 1. And next
1, 1, 0.
1, 1, 0, and 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. Tell me sum and carry. Tell me sum and carry. Sum 0, carry 0. Next, sum 1, carry 0. Sum 1, carry 0. Next, carry what will be sum and carry?
Some 0.
Sum
Carry.
carry 1. Again, here sum 1, carry 0. Here, sum 0,
0, 1.
carry 1. And here, 0, 1.
0.
And here,
Carry 1.
1, 1. Sum 1, carry
Carry
1.
1.
Okay. So you observe this first case. Okay. So case 1. Okay. We'll see case 1.
Hello.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Sir, your voice is not audible, sir.
Now is it audible?
Yeah.
One second. Now it's audible. Hello, hello, hello.
Yes,
Is
sir.
that
Yes,
all?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you see,
Audible, sir.
okay. If you see these cases, first case one, if you see, okay, we'll see case one. Okay. What is case one? Let us take A equal to 0,
Zero.
A equal to 0, and B equal to what? 0. Okay. So A equal to 0, B equal to 0. When C input is equal to what? Equal to 0. What is C out? What is
Zero.
C out?
0.
0. 0. And when C input is equal to 1, what is C out?
Zero.
0. Okay. So this is case 1. Okay. And next, case 2 you see. Okay. So case 2. So what is this case 2? Let us take,
A is equal to 0.
so here you see, that means you are getting the C out as what? 0. No? Respective of this input, C input, you are getting C out equal to what? 0. No?
0.
Okay. Next, if you see here, this case and this case. Okay. So what you are getting? Just observe and tell me. C out equal to what you are getting in these two cases.
0.
0.
Yeah. You
1.
observe this one. You observe this one and this one. You observe this one and this one, and tell me what you observed.
0 and 1, sir.
0 and 1. Okay. But C out is 0 and 1. C in is also 0 and 1. And here C out is 0 and 1. C in is also 0 and 1. That means what you can say, C out is following C in. Can I say
Yes, sir.
C
Yes,
out
sir.
is following C in now? Whatever the C input is there, that you are getting at the C out.
C out.
Okay. And here what is there? What tell me here?
1, 1.
Only one. So that means irrespective of C input, either C input is 0 or 1, you are getting what?
1.
1.
1.
Okay. So case 2, if you see, there are, if it is case 2, that is A equal to 0 and B equal to 1.
1.
Okay. And C input equal to what? C input equal to 0. C out equal to what you are getting?
1.
0. No. C out equal to 0. This case. This case.
Yes, sir.
And next A equal to 1 and B equal to 0. Okay, this case I am taking. Okay, this case C input is equal to 1. What is C out? What is C out?
1.
1,
1 you
sir.
are getting. Okay, 1 you are getting. Okay, and next case 3.
Case 4.
Case 3. Okay, case 3 if you see. So this is nothing but case 2 and return. First, this one I wrote for first one, and this one I wrote for second one. So that means this is nothing but case 2. Okay. So case
Sir,
3, if you see,
sir,
yeah, yeah.
sir, here you written A equal to 1, B equal to 0. Where you taken, sir, that one?
See here, so here A equal to 0, B equal to 1. This case I took.
Yeah, that okay, sir.
This case I took. And in case 2, this is this one. Okay. And next case, this one I
Okay,
took.
right, 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 right.
Okay, so
Okay,
that
okay.
means here A equal to 1, B equal to 0, C input equal to 1, and C out equal to 1. Okay, next A equal to what? 1 and B equal to 1. And when C input is equal to 0, okay, this case, C out equal to what?
1.
1.
1.
Okay, and when C input is equal to 1 and C out equal to what?
1.
1. Okay, so these are the cases. Okay, once you move down and we move forward. So that means in case 1, what you observed, tell me. In case 1, what you observed? There is no carry generation. No? Is there any carry generation?
0.
Why? Because if C input is equal to, don't care, either it is 0 or 1, what you are getting? C out equal to what? 0. C out equal to 0. In case 2, what you can say, tell me? In case 2, what you can say?
C in is following C out.
Yeah, C
C
out
is
is
following C
following.
out, sir.
That means C out equal to C
Carry.
in. This is nothing but we call as carry propagation. Carry propagation. What we call? This is nothing but C
Carry.
out equal to C in. We are getting that is nothing but carry is propagating. So that means C out is following the C in. Okay, C out is following the C
Yes, sir.
in this case too. Okay, that we call as carry propagation. And third case you see. Third case, third case you see. This is nothing
A
but
equal to
what?
1, B equal to 1.
Yeah. So that means here C input equal to X. That is nothing but C out equal to what we are getting? 1. No? This is nothing but carry generation. Carry generation. Carry
Which side am I
propagation, and
sending, sir? Sir?
this is, see here, C input
Yeah.
equal to either 0 or 1. Okay. We
Okay.
are getting C out equal to what?
1,
1.
sir.
So 1 means what? Carry is generating. Carry is generating. In case 2, C out is following C input, that we call as what? Carry propagation. And here this we call as carry generation. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
So that means carry propagation. Can you say the expression for carry propagation? Suppose A 0, B is 1, you are getting C out equal to 0. Okay, and A is 1, B is equal to 0, C input is equal to 1, C out equal to 1. So that means from this, so here A 0, B 0, you are getting propagation, carry propagation equal to what? 0. And A is 1, B is 1, carry, here you are getting output as what? 1. So that means from this you can say that propagate equal to what? AX or B. Can I write? Carry propagate.
Yes, sir.
And for generate, what you can write? Tell me. Generate. A equal to 1, B equal to 1.
AB.
AB. Carry generate equal to what? AB. So carry propagate equal to what? AX or B. And carry generate equal to what?
Sir,
A.
uh,
Yeah.
sir, can you
Uh,
tell me the one more time carry propagation, sir?
Carry propagation. Okay.
Yes, sir.
See here, carry propagation. Carry propagation if you see. Suppose if A equal to 0, B equal to 0.
Okay.
What is propagate?
P.
So here I will write one more time. I will tell you. See here. Mm, one second. So here uh, A equal to 0, B equal to 0. What you can take propagate? Propagate equal
0.
to what? 0.
0.
A equal to 0, B equal to 1. In this case, propagation equal to what? 1, no?
1. 1, sir.
Carries
1.
propagating. And A equal to 1 and B equal to 0.
1.
In this
0.
case also carries propagating. B equal to 1. Okay.
1.
And here A equal to 1 and B equal to 1. Okay. So in this
1,
case,
sir.
propagation equal to what? 0.
0.
What is the truth table for XOR gate?
0 double 1 0.
0 double 1 0, no? So
Yes,
it
sir.
is same as XOR gate, no? 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So this is nothing but 0 double 1 0.
0.
From this you can say that propagate equal to what? A XOR B.
Okay, sir. Now it will come. Okay.
Clear? Okay.
Yeah.
You know the
Just will note down, sir.
uh,
Done, sir.
Done? Okay.
Yes.
Sir, for
Yep.
case A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1 also same now, sir?
Case 2, A equal to 1, B equal to 1, you will get in which case? Case 3, no?
Yes, sir.
Case 2, we are looking for this one. Like if you consider this is first row, okay? This is first row,
Okay.
and this is second case, and this is nothing but third case.
Okay. Okay.
Shall I move forward?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, if you see, that means so from this you can conclude that propagate equal to what? Propagate equal to AXR
Yes, sir.
AXRB. Okay, propagate equal to
Okay.
AXRB and generate equal to what?
AB.
AB. Okay, propagate equal to generate. Okay, so that means suppose if you consider I equal to stage, I equal to what? First stage, second stage, that is stage. Okay, so from this you can say that normally what is sum? Tell me the expression for sum
A plus
for full adder.
B plus
Full adder,
C.
full adder.
C.
AXR, BXR, CN, no?
A XOR B XOR C.
Yes, sir.
CN. AXR, BXR, CN. Okay. So
Mm.
AXR, BXR, CN. That is nothing but for sum. Okay. For sum. So okay, this is for sum. And next for carry out.
AB plus.
Okay,
Sorry.
that is fine. Okay. We realized the full adder by using two half adders. No, that expression you tell me.
Sir, AB plus
AB plus.
A bar BC in.
Oh, what? AB plus AXRB into
A
C.
XOR B. Yes, sir.
Yeah, AXRB into C. In this one you got no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So that means here in general I can say that SI equal to. So that means this S equal to AXRB equal to what? Propagate. No? Can I write like this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that means AXRB equal to what? Propagate. So here I am writing this one. Okay. This one propagate. And this one how I can write? See out. See out how I
G
can write.
plus
G plus P into
A XOR B C in.
P into C in. No?
P into C in.
So that means
Yes.
you can write this one as what G. So G plus C out equal to G plus P XR P into C. Okay. So P into C. Okay.
Sir, can you repeat,
Uh,
sir, one more time?
See here. What is my propagate? What is my propagate?
X, sir.
AB. AB. No. Propagate is AXRB.
Propagation.
Generation is what? AB. No.
AB.
Generation is AB. Okay. Now you see. So C out equal to this expression. No. So from this you can say that this what I can write
G, sir.
generate G. This one what I can write
PC. P,
P.
sir. P is in.
P. So that means if you substitute C out equal to what? G plus P into C in. Can I write?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, so see here in general form, so you can write. So that means I is the stage. You can write a SI equal to what? So SI equal to what? Tell me. PI XR PI XR CI. Okay. And CI plus 1 next carry equal to what? GI plus PI CI. Can I write like this? Next carry equal to what? GI plus PA into CA. CA is nothing but what? Input carry. Means input from previous state. This is nothing but next state carry. So can I write like this? If it is the ith stage, please give response.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now
Yes.
suppose let us take C1 is initial stage. Okay. C1 is initial carry. Okay. C1 is the initial carry. So from this, suppose if you take I equal to 1, I equal to 1. So I equal to 1 means what is S1 and what is C1? What is S1? Or here I am concentrating only on what this one. Okay. Some I know need. I am concentrating only on this one. Okay. Here you will get C2 equal to what? Tell me. Even I equal to what?
G1.
P1 C1 plus G1. No?
Yes, sir.
P1 C1 plus what? G1.
C.
P1 C1 plus G1. Okay. And next, when I equal to 2, tell me. I equal to 2.
C3,
C3.
C3,
C, C3 equal to what? C3 equal to
P2, C2
P2 C2 plus
plus G2.
G2.
G2. Okay. So let us take this is first equation. And can you substitute this value of C2 in this equation? Can you substitute?
Yes, sir.
If you substitute, what you will get? Tell me. C3 equal to P2
P2 into P1, C1,
P1 C1 plus G1.
G1.
Okay. This is equal to what? P2
P1, P1,
P1
C1
P2 P1 C1
plus P2,
plus
G1. P2,
P2
G1.
G1.
G2.
P2
G1.
G P2 G1. Okay. Only two are there remaining not responding. And remaining five are there. No? Remaining is not
Yes, sir.
responding. Are you there? You are not responding. If you are responding means I can confirm that you are listening the class. Okay. Anil also not responding.
Okay.
If you are responding means I can understand that you are there in the class. Otherwise, how I can understand you are there in the class or not? Okay. Okay. Please respond. Okay. Next, you tell me. I equal to 3. I equal to 3. Tell me.
C4.
C4 equal to what?
P3, C3,
P3
C
C3 plus
G3.
G3. Okay. You substitute the value of C3 in this equation. P3
P3
P2
into P2,
P2
P1,
P1.
C1, C1.
This is let us take this is second equation. Okay. So P1
P2, P1, C1
C1 plus
P2, G1
P2 G1 plus G3.
plus
Okay.
G3.
So that means from here C4 equal to what? Tell me.
P1,
P3
P2, P3, C1,
P2 P1. Okay.
P2, P3, G1
Mm, P3 P2 P1
P1.
C1.
C1
Next
plus P2, P3, G1
P3 P2 G1
G1.
plus G3.
plus
G3.
G3. Okay.
Plus
Plus G3. Okay. From this you observe. Can you conclude anything? You observe this equation. Okay. And next this equation and this equation. Can you conclude anything? Observe that equation and tell me. Can you conclude?
Sir, will you repeat again, sir? I have a bit confusion.
See here. So Ci plus 1 equal to what? Gi plus Ci plus Pa into Ci. This one you understood?
Yes, sir.
This one you understood? So next,
Yes, sir.
somebody is messaging. Okay. So if you substitute I equal to 1 in this equation, what you will get? Tell me. I equal to 1 in this equation. What you will get? What you will get? Tell me. C2 equal to what? C2 equal to P1 C1 plus
P1,
G1.
G1.
Okay.
G1.
And next, if you replace I equal to 2, C3 equal to what? P2 C2 plus G2.
C2.
So next what I am doing, whatever the value of C2 is there, I am substituting in this equation.
Yes, sir.
I'm substituting in this equation. So when I'm substituting, what I'm getting P2 into P1 C1 plus G1. So when I'm
G1.
multiplying, what I'm getting P2 P1 C1 plus
Plus
P2 into G1. Okay, is this fine? C3?
Yes,
I
sir.
the
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
okay. Next you see I equal to 3. I equal to 3 means what you will get?
C4.
C4 equal
C4.
to
C3.
substitute in this equation. Substitute in this
C3,
equation.
C3, G plus G3.
P3 C3 plus G3. Okay.
P3,
So
C3 plus G3.
P3, so whatever the value of P3 is there, substitute in this equation. What you will get, tell me? P2, P1, C1 plus P2 into G1 plus
G1
G3.
plus
Plus
G3.
G1, G3.
After multiplying, what you are getting? P3,
P3,
P2,
P1,
P1,
P2,
C1, P3,
C1
P2,
plus P3,
G1,
P3, P2, G1
G3,
plus G3.
plus G3.
Plus G3. Yes.
Is it fine? Uh, so from this you observe and what you conclude, tell me. You observe this equation. Okay. 1 second, not this equation, this equation. And you observe this is C3, this equation. Okay, this is equal to C3. And you observe this equation. What you conclude, tell me. Or you observe this equation. What you conclude? Anyone?
So C1 and G1 are
C1 and G1.
in same position as in second stage and third.
Okay. Can you see C2 or C3 in this equation?
No,
So that means the final carry is depending on which one?
C1.
First carry. No? The final carry is depending on which one? First carry. So
C1.
that means if you know the first carry, directly you can calculate the final carry. No? Do you
Yes,
understand
sir.
what I'm telling? Okay. So that means this is nothing but what carry lookup adder. So it is not searching for like the previous carry like C4. The previous carry is what C3 or C2. So just if you know the initial carry, that is nothing. C1 is the initial carry, no? So if you know the initial carry, so directly you will get C4. So anyway, these are nothing but propagate. No, what is this propagate? A3 XOR of B3 and A2 XOR of B2. Okay, so that means with some combinational circuit, if you design directly, you can calculate the last carry. So like this, we can increase the speed of the operation. Delay is reduced. Do you understand? Do you
Yes,
understand
sir.
what I'm saying? Okay.
Sir, how
So
will
this is
become?
Hmm.
what? Hello,
No, sir.
your voice is breaking. I can't listen.
This one, sir, last one.
I need to repeat.
You written a C4 is equal to like
Your voice is
sir,
breaking. I
something.
can't listen. Your voice is breaking. Hello.
Sir, repeat one more time.
1 second. I need to repeat. Okay. 1 second. Okay. 1 second.
Hello.
Okay. Is it fine? I need to repeat this one concept. Give response, or otherwise you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. I need to repeat this concept. Okay. See here, like C4 is there. C4. If you see C4, if you observe here, what is there? Only C1 is there. Anyway, this is propagate and generate. That means propagate equal to what A XOR B and generate equal to what AB. So that means from this you can say
AB.
that
AB.
C4 is function of what? Only C1. No? C4 is function of what? Only C1. So that is not depending on either C2 or C3. So if you know the C1 with some combinational circuit, you can directly calculate the C4 so that we can decrease the delay of the function, delay of the adder circuit. So in the RCA, that means in order to get the final carry, you need to calculate the delay of C1 to propagate, C2 to propagate, C3 to propagate. Okay. Here no need. So if you want C4, just you want a delay of this S1 and C1, directly you will get the C4. So delay will be reduced in carry look at adder. No? So that we can increase the speed of the operation. Do you understood? Do you understood, Sudhendra?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. You want to copy?
Yes, sir.
Yes. You copy that and we'll move forward. After completing, please let me know and I'll move forward.
Sir, once you repeat the C4, sir.
C4? Okay.
Yes, sir.
C4 if you see, okay, I'll repeat. Just, love this. Means you not understood how you are getting C4. Hello.
Yes, sir.
C4 equal to
No,
what?
I
C4, you understood? C4 equal to, so if you multiply, what you are getting? P3, P2, P1, C1 plus P3,
P
P3, P2,
P3
P2, G1 plus
P1
G3,
plus G3
G3. Okay.
G3.
Normally, what is generate? Tell me. Generate equal to, you can write what? AB, no? Propagate equal to what?
Yes, sir.
A XOR B. So this is simple
Yes, sir.
combination circuit. Okay. So if you observe this equation, C4 is depending on which one? C1. No?
P1.
So that means from this, you can say that C4 is function of what? Only C1. Okay. So do you observe any C2 or C3 in this equation? Do you observe any C2 or C3 in
No,
this
sir.
equation? So that means if you know the initial carry directly, so I told you know what is initial carry? C1 is the initial carry, no? C1 is the initial carry. So that means if you know the initial carry directly, you can calculate the C4. Understood? Directly you can calculate the C4. So that means here, that's why the name came, that carry look ahead. So it is looking for which carry? Initial carry. That means if you know the C1, directly you can calculate the
Yes, sir.
C4. Okay, so that you can decrease the delay of the
Okay, sir.
circuit. Delay of the circuit. So in the VLSI, we need to have the circuit with less delay and less power consumption, low power consumption. So we need to select that type of circuits. So that's why we are not what we call, we are not preferring the ripple carry adder. Why? Because delay is more. That is one disadvantage. So that's why we need to go for any other alternative. So that's so we are searching for other alternative that we got carry look at adder. Do you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Uh, so next, completed, noted. Shall I move forward?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next you see. Now tell me, what is C2? What is C2? Tell me the equation. Tell me the equation.
P1, P1, C1 plus
P1,
G1.
P1 C1
P1
plus
C1 plus
G1.
G1. Okay.
G1.
And next tell me C3.
P2, P1, C1 plus G1.
P2, P2.
Two
Oh,
C2
one second. P2,
P2 C2 plus
P2, P1, C1
P2,
plus P2,
P1,
plus
P2,
G2
P2,
G1,
P1, C1
C1
plus
C1
mm,
plus P2,
P2,
G1,
G
P2 G1 plus
G1,
G1
G2, no?
G2
G2, no?
plus G2.
G2.
Yes.
Okay. Next third. What is C4? What is C4?
P3 P2 P1
P3 P2
P
P1
P3,
P1
P2, P1. Next element. One second. Okay. Yeah. C1.
C1
C1.
plus P3
P1
P2
plus
G1
P3,
P3
P3,
P2
plus
P2,
G3,
P2,
G1 plus
G1
G1,
plus
G1
G3,
plus
plus
P3,
G3
P3
G3,
P3, G2 plus
G3.
G3, no? G3. Okay.
G3
Mm. So I will take two 4-bit values and I will try to analyze these equations. Okay. Can you tell two 4-bit numbers, or shall I take? Let us take A and 4-bit values. Tell me 4-bit values.
Sir,
Tell me some 4-bit values. 4-bit binary values.
C4,
Uh,
sir,
uh, Correct only, no? P3 G2 plus G3. Any doubt? Hello? Yeah, any doubt?
no
Shall I
sir
move forward? Okay. So see here,
yes sir
I am taking two 4-bit values. Let us take 1101 and next 1011. Okay. So if we are adding, what you get, tell me. 1 plus 1 is how much? 1 plus 1 is 0,
0
carry 1.
1
some 0
And 1
carry
plus
1
0, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 0 plus 1, 0, carry 1. 1 plus
0
0
carry
plus
1
carry
1 plus
1
1 plus 0. So 0, carry 1. And next 1 plus 1
0
plus 1.
carry 1
0, 1, 1 carry 1.
1 carry 1
1 carry 1. Okay. So
yes
I'm going to verify with this one. Okay. Anyway, P1 equal to what? Equal to what? Tell me. One second. P1 equal to A1 XR
hello.
B1, no? A1 XR B1. Okay. And G1 equal to what? A1 B1. Okay. Now you see. So what is this? One second. So this is nothing but you consider this as A1, A2, A3, A4. Oh, sorry, A1, A2, A1, A2, A3, A4. Okay. One second. Mm, Okay. A1, A2, A3, A4. And next, what is this? B1, B2, B3, and B4. Okay. Now you see. So, what is P1? Tell me.
Hello.
Yeah, am I audible? Hello.
Sir, can you explain one more time? Actually,
yes
my
sir
internet
yes
was
sir
last year.
See here, I am taking two values. This addition you understood? This addition you understood? Hello? This addition you understood? I'm taking the 4-bit values, that is A1, A1, A2, A3, A4, and this one is B1, B2, B3, B4. Okay. This addition, I took two values. What are the two values? Let us take two values are A equal to what? Double one, zero, one. Okay. And B equal to 1, 0, double one. Okay. I added. Theoretically, I'm calculating 1 plus 1 is 0, 0, next carry 1. 1 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. Okay. 0, carry 1. And next 1 plus 1 plus 0 is 0, carry 1. And 1 plus 1 is how much? 1, carry 1.
Someone
Okay.
carry one.
1, carry 1. Okay. So here I am considering as what? This is nothing but A1, A2, A3, A3, and this is A4. Okay. And next, this is what? B1. Tell me, what is this?
B1, B2, B3, B4.
B1, B2, B3, B4. Okay. B1, B2, B3, and B4. Okay. So if you see this one, now tell me. So here, what is P1? Tell me. A1 XR B1. 1 XR 1. What will you
Yes,
get?
sir.
1
Yes.
XR 1. 1 XR 1, what will you get? 0, no? 0. And C1 equal to
One
what?
XR.
A1 B1. A1 B1. You are getting 1.
Carry one.
And C1 equal to, let us take the initial carry as 0. Okay. Initial carry as a 0. Okay. Let us take the initial carry as 0. And G1 equal to A1 B1. A1 B1 equal to what? 1. So that means C2 equal to what you got? 1. No?
One, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Next. This one you tell me. This one you tell me. P2 equal to A2 XR B2. A2 XR B2. 0 XR 1. What you are getting? 1. No?
One, sir.
P1 equal to what? A1 XR B1. So this you will get what?
0.
0. And
Zero.
C1 equal to initial carry if you take 0 plus, okay. So this total value is equal to how much? 1 and 0, 0.
One, sir.
One.
How 1? 1 and 0 and 0. 1
Three.
and 0 and 0. 0. So that means 0 plus something. Total value what will get? 0, no?
0.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
1 second, not 0, 1 second. Here P2 equal to what? P2 equal to what?
A2 XR B2.
A2 XOR B2.
A2 XR B2. So what is that value? Here I am writing
0
P2.
XR 1.
So P2 equal to what you got? P2 equal to 1 you got. P1 equal to 0 you got. And C1 equal to 0 you considered. And P2 equal to what you will get? 1, no? And G1 equal to what you will get? Tell me. 1, no? G1 equal to what? A1, B1.
A1 8.
A1, B1. So
Yes.
A1, B1. So 1 and 1. 1 and 1 equal to what? 1, no?
1.
1.
1 plus G2 equal to what? A2, B2. So that means
A2
this is
B2.
0. Okay. So this is 0 plus 1 plus 0. Total value is how
1.
much?
1.
1. Okay. Total
1.
value is 1. Okay. Now this one you tell me. This one you tell me. So that means you got C3 equal to what? 1.
1.
Okay. C3 equal to 1. And next C2 is equal to 1 you got.
1.
Okay.
1.
And next C4 you see. C4. P3 equal to what? A3 XR B3. This you will get 0, no?
1 XR 0. 0.
0. So that means 1 is 0. Total value becomes what? 0, no?
0.
0. Now this
0.
one you tell me.
P3 B2.
P3 is how much?
Zero.
A3 B3. So this is 1.
1
And
0.
P2 is A1 B1. This is 1. And
1.
G1 is what? G1 is 1. Okay. So 1 and 1 and 1. Total value is what?
1.
1.
1.
Okay. So 1 plus 0 plus, okay. Anyway, if it is any value in the Boolean algebra, we have seen 1 plus a equal to what?
1.
1 no? 1
Yes.
plus a equal to what? 1. Or otherwise you see
One.
P3 P3G3 equal to what? P3G3 equal to 1 and G2 equal to 0 and
Zero.
G3 is equal to this is 0. Okay. So anyway this is 0 and this is 0. So 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0. What you are getting? 1 no?
One.
So
One.
C4 what you got? 1 no?
One.
So here also see here C4 what you got?
1.
1.
1. Is it fine? Is it verified? Theoretically, I got C4 as 1, and with this equation I considered, I got C4 as 1. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Just note down.
Sir, can you shall I note down?
You note down. You note down. You note down. After completing, please let me know. I will move forward.
Yes, sir. Done.
Done?
Sir, 1 second, sir, 1 second.
Oh.
Sir,
Yeah, completed.
sir, just can you explain this? P3 G2 is there, na sir?
P3,
G2
P3,
in
G2, where?
C4. In
In
C4,
C4. Okay, C4. P3 equal to what?
B3 should be
A3,
A3,
A3 XR B3.
A3,
Okay,
sir.
A3 XR B3 means what? This is
1 0
1 XR 0
0
equal to what? 1. Okay,
1, sir.
and
Yes, sir.
G2 equal to what? A2
A2 B2
B2, A2 B2, A2 B2 equal to
0
0
0 and 0
1
1 into 1.
1 0. Is it fine? Yeah, is it fine?
Uh, but sir, one. Hello,
Yeah, tell me.
sir. This one you written in bracket.
Actually, suppose in Boolean algebra we are seeing, suppose here, if you consider any equation, like 1 plus x plus y plus z is there. Suppose if you consider this is total equation, 1 plus something equal to what from Boolean algebra?
1, sir.
So that's it. Irrespective of these inputs, here you got 1. So that means, so
Okay.
total value becomes what? 1. We are making like Boolean algebra. Boolean algebra, we came across that equation R law, no? R
Based
law.
on Boolean algebra, sir.
But based on the Boolean algebra, A equal to 1. Or otherwise, if you have doubt, you calculate. Okay. So if you calculate what you will get, so here you got 0 and here you got 0. Okay. So that means what you are getting 0 plus
0 plus 1
1,
plus
1 plus 0 plus 0. So
0.
what is the result?
1, oh, 0, 1, sir.
1. Okay.
Okay, sir. Now understood.
Okay. Should I move forward? Noted.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next you see, I want to design this full adder. Okay. What example we took? Tell me what example you took. Let us take here I am writing A equal to what? A equal to double one
1
zero
1
one.
0 1.
B equal to what?
10
1
double
0
1.
1 1.
1 0 double 1. So what is the result you got? 0 carry 1. Next
0 0.
0 carry 1. Next 0
0
carry
carry
1.
1.
Zero
This is
carry
1
one.
1
carry 1.
1
1
carry
One
1.
carry
Okay.
one.
1 carry 1. From this you can say that what is A2 A3 A1. So A1 equal to what? So double one zero one. Okay. This is let us take A1 and this is A2 and this is A3 and this is A4. Okay. And next 1011. Okay. So this is the B1
B1,
and
B2,
this is
B3,
B2, B3, B4. Okay.
B4.
Okay. I'm drawing the CLA carry look diagram. Okay. CLA diagram. Okay. So you have how many full adders? How many full adders are there?
Four, sir.
4. Same as triple carry adder. You are
4,
doing
sir.
parallel addition, 4-bit addition, no? So 4 full adders will be there. Okay, 4 full adders will be there. So this is so let us take this is a full adder. Okay, this is also full adder, and one more full adder. Two more full adders are there. Two more full adders. Okay, Mm, this is also one full adder. Okay, full adder. Okay, so this is nothing but full adder 1 and full adder 2 and full adder 3 and full adder 4.
4.
Okay. So here that means so what are the inputs A1 and B1? Okay. A1 and B1. And let us take the initial carry is 0. Initial carry is what? 0.
0.
Okay. And what are the outputs you are getting? S1 and C1.
S1.
No?
Sorry,
S1
S1 and
and C1. S1 and C1.
C1.
Okay. This will be connected like this. Okay. This one will be connected like this. And next here for this full adder,
A2, B2,
inputs are A2, B2,
B2.
A2, B2, and C2 equal to you got one equation. No? What is that equation you got? P1 C1 plus G1.
P1
No?
C1 plus G1.
With one combinational circuit, I am not drawing the detailed combinational circuit. I am drawing with a block. Okay, what are the inputs you are getting? This is nothing but A1 and next B1. Okay, this is B1 and next this is C1 and next A2, A2, B2, A2, B2. Is it fine?
What is
This is
relevance
nothing.
actually?
Normally C2 equal to what? C2
C2 equal
equal to
to P1 C1 plus G1.
P1 C1 plus G1. No.
Yes, sir.
So what is P1? A1 XOR B1, no?
Yes, sir.
Plus C1 plus A1
A1
B1.
B1. Okay,
Okay,
okay.
so that means if you draw with a combination circuit, one XOR gate is required. Okay, one XOR gate and next AND with this one, you will get this equation. Okay, this AND operation. This equation you will get here, and A1 B1 one more AND gate, one more AND gate. These two are connected with which gate?
XOR.
OR gate, no?
Yes, sir.
OR gate. OR gate. So this is nothing but combinational circuit. This is nothing but what? Combinational circuit. In order to represent all this combinational circuit, I am representing with a block. What are the inputs? A1, B1, next C1, A1, B1. Is it fine?
Yes.
A1, B1, A1, B1, and C1 and A2, B2. Okay. Similarly,
Yes, sir.
only A1, sorry, A1, B1, C1. Only A1, B1, C1. Inputs are, what are the inputs you have? What are the inputs? Like just this is a block. This is a block. What are the inputs? A1, B1, and C1. No? A1, B1, and C1.
C1.
This is the block. Okay. And next, for this, you tell me what are the inputs?
A2, A3,
A3,
B3,
A3, B3.
A3, B3. Next you tell me what are the
A2, B2,
inputs?
C.
A2, B2. So
A2,
that means C.
B2,
A2, B2, A2, B2. Next,
C,
C1.
A2, B2, A1, B1, C1, C1.
Okay, okay.
C3 equal to what? C3 equal to.
P1, P2, C1
P,
plus P2, G1 plus G2.
So that means C3 equal to P1, P2,
P1, P2, C1
P1, P2, C1 plus
plus
P2,
P2, plus
G1
P2, G1 plus G2.
plus G2. So that means anyway P1 equal to what? A1 XR B1, P2 equal to A2 XR B2. Okay, A1 XR B1 and A2 XR B2. And so what are the inputs you have? A1 B1 C1 and A2 B2. Is it fine? How I am getting the inputs? You understood? Shall I move forward? Inputs are what? P1 equal to A1 XR B1, P2 equal to A2 XR
P2
B2.
XR
Anyway,
B2. Yes,
C1 is
sir.
there. Okay, and P2 equal to
yes, sir.
A2 XR B2 and G1 equal to A1 B1 and G2. Okay, now you tell me A4 B4, A4 B4. Okay, A4 B4. Next, what is C4? This is C3. This is C3 you got getting. Okay, what is this one? You tell me block. This is C4.
A3, B3.
A3, B3,
A3, A3. Next B3.
A2, B.
A2, B2,
A- A1 B1, A1 B1 C1.
A1,
No?
B1, C1.
A1 B1, A2 B2, A2 B2,
B2, C2,
A2
A2,
B2, and next inputs are A1,
A1,
B1,
next B1, next
B1, C1.
C1.
C1. Okay, C1. Okay, and here you are getting the sum. What is the sum? S2, and
S2,
what is the
G2.
sum? S3, and next S4.
4.
Anyway, C2 I calculated no here.
Yes, sir.
C2
Yes, sir.
I got C3 here, C4 here. Okay. Now you know that sum equal to what? AXR, BXR,
AXR, C in.
C. Okay. C in. Okay. And next carry out equal to that is nothing but last carry ripple carry adder I told you. This is nothing but 2 out of 3 logic, no?
Sir. 2 out of 3
2
logic.
out of 3 logic. That means if at least two inputs are 1, the output is 1. If one input is 1, the output is 0. Okay. So I will analyze. Okay. I will analyze this. Okay. What is A1 B1? Tell me. 1 1. 1 1, no?
1, 1.
A1 B1. 1 1. Okay. So 1 XOR 1 XOR 0. What is sum? Tell me. What is sum?
0.
0.
0, sir.
0. And this is a 2 out of 3 logic. What is C1? Tell me C1.
0.
1, no?
1, sir. 1, sir.
1. Two
1, sir.
inputs. Two out
1.
of 3 logic. At least two inputs are 1. The output is 1.
1, sir.
Okay.
1.
1. Okay. And next you see A to B2 equal to what? 0 and
1,
0.
1.
A2 B2 is equal to 0. And previously C2 you got from this equation, that previous equation. C2 how much you got? Previously we have seen, no? Previously we have seen
Sir,
C2 equal to
1,
Sir,
what
1.
you
B2
got?
is 1, sir.
Oh, 1 second. 1 second. B2 is what? 1. Okay.
B2 is 1, sir.
B2 is 1. Okay. B2 is 1. And what is C1? C2? What is C2?
1, sir.
1. Previously you got,
1.
no? C2 equal to 1. Okay. Now we analyze. What is H2? What is H2? Or you can say that C2 equal to, this is 2 out of 3 logic. You are getting C2 equal to 1. And here you tell me. You tell me.
Zero.
XR H2 equal to what? 0. Okay.
Zero.
C3 equal to,
Zero.
C3 equal to, previously you got. What is C3?
Carry one.
Carry 1.
One,
Okay.
sir.
So
Carry.
carry 1. And S3 equal to what? A3 B3 equal to what? This is 1 and 0. Okay. So 1 and 0.
0.
Sum equal to what?
Zero, one.
0.
Zero.
0.
0.
0. And carry equal to what you will get?
1, sir.
1. Previously you got no 1. Or 2 out of 3 logic you will get carry. And A4 B4 equal to what? 1. 1. Okay.
1.
So 1 1 1. Sum equal to
1.
what? Sum equal to
1.
1, sir. 1, sir.
1.
sum equal to 1, and next C4 equal to 1 you got. Okay.
1.
So my sequence is C4, S4, S3, S2, and S1. Okay. What you got? 0, 0,
0,
0, 0.
0,
0.
1,
0, 1.
1.
1, 1.
1, 1.
So
Yes, sir.
this one and this one matching or not?
Matching, sir.
This is theoretical. This is nothing but I'm verifying with the circuit. Both are matching or not?
Yes, sir.
So this is carry look at it. You understood how I am doing, how the things are
Yes,
happening.
sir.
Okay, just to note down. Hmm. So,
But here also using 2 out of 3 logic, sir.
means actually previously we calculated C1 and C2, C2, C3, C4 with one what equation? That equation we calculated, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That combinational equation. And I am verifying with 2 out of 3 logic.
Okay, sir. Exact.
I am
Okay.
verifying the circuit with 3 out of 3 logic. Is it fine?
Can note down, sir.
Yeah, note down.